talking to businesses, what are their priorities? What are their main concerns right now?
Yeah, I think we see, even just spending last couple of days and talking to all of our amazing customers that we have here, you know, a lot of public sector, banking, telecommunications sector, healthcare, many of those digital services run on VMware's platform. And we see tremendous excitement in terms of how that platform gets continued to be extended as more digital services come onto the VMware platform, as well as lots of interest in building new services using the power of public cloud, which is coming in, while at the same time ensuring that sovereignty of data, as whether that's for citizen services, for privacy reasons, or just critical infrastructure is protected. So we see those trends. How do you make sure that you extend the investments that they have made in building out extremely impressive scalable private cloud? How do you embrace public cloud faster but in a smarter way through learnings across the globe that other customers or other parts of the world have had, as well as how do you ensure sovereignty?